Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at something absolutely essential for anyone operating a T30 carbon drone, especially those using it for demanding tasks like fertilizer application or plant protection. We've got our hands on this 12-piece maintenance kit, specifically designed for the T30's carbon fiber propellers. They are 3820 UAV folding paddle wings. Maintaining these workhorse drones is crucial for reliable operation, and the propellers are often the first things that need attention due to wear and tear or accidental damage. This kit provides a full set of replacement blades, 12 pieces in total, which is fantastic because it gives you plenty of spares to keep your drone in the air. Right out of the box, the quality feels solid. The description says they are 100% brand new, and they certainly look and feel it. Durability is key for drone components, especially propellers that are constantly under stress and exposed to the elements or potential impacts. These appear to be built to last, which is exactly what you need when your drone is a vital tool for your operations. One of the biggest selling points mentioned is how easy these are to use and install. For anyone who's had to swap out drone parts, you know how important a straightforward process is. The claim is that they are a direct replacement for the old or damaged products, and they match perfectly with the original equipment. This means you shouldn't need any special tools or complicated procedures to get your T30 back up and running. Just remove the old propeller, and this new one should fit right into place seamlessly. That perfect match is vital for ensuring the drone flies correctly and efficiently, maintaining its balance and performance during flight, especially when carrying heavy payloads like fertilizer. Having a direct replacement that fits perfectly saves time and eliminates guesswork. You don't want to be dealing with ill-fitting parts when you need your drone operational. This kit seems designed to make the maintenance process as smooth and hassle-free as possible. It's not just about replacing a broken part. It's about ensuring the continued optimal performance of a sophisticated piece of agricultural technology. So, for T30 carbon drone operators, having a kit like this on hand is really non-negotiable. It provides the necessary components to quickly address propeller issues, ensuring minimal downtime. The fact that it's a 12-piece set means you're well-stocked for future maintenance needs. It's a practical, durable, and easy-to-use solution for keeping your T30 UAV flying strong and performing its essential plant protection and fertilizing duties effectively. It looks like a solid investment for maintaining the longevity and efficiency of your T30 drone fleet.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.